Alhamdulillah, I feel I've been saved. Alhamdulillah, I feel I've been saved. Alhamdulillah, I feel I've been saved. Alhamdulillah, I'm here today, and I'm so glad that my heart's beating, and I'm so grateful to be here today. We could have been anywhere, any time or place instead of the present. Scattered souls across the city, but we're united today. I just want to say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Praise the name Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Thank you. I love you guys. This is my third time in Malaysia, you know, my third time, and I have to say, you guys as a people have captured my heart. Wallahi, like, not many. I've traveled so many different places, but never have I seen sincerity, humility, and compassion like I have from you people. And wallahi, I love you guys, man. I have another 2 pieces for you all, inshallah. The next piece I have for you, it's a bit different. I wrote this when I was in Somalia. I spent a year. Way! That warmed my heart. Normally I go Somalia, people go, Alhamdulillah. I spent a year away from everyone and everything I knew. And I needed some time to heal my heart and to heal my mind, because I know that I have a life and I have things that I want to achieve and I have dreams, but one thing that stops you from achieving your dreams is your fears. The fears of what other people will say, all the obstacles, but sometimes you have to work through them, and this is what this piece is about, inshallah. Drifting along the current to the waterfall, drifting along the current. Waterfall today, waterfalls today. The current carries me today, and the pain just fades away. No more sadness, for I am being cleansed. No more animosity. Finally the chaos makes sense. See, wings could die always, forgotten how to fly. Even the altitude would now chill me and numb me to the core. But I'm just drifting along the current to the waterfall, drifting along the current. Drifting along the current to the waterfalls, drifting along the current. Oh, waterfall, cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take hold. Let the waterfall cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take hold. See, look to my eyes and see my soul, 1,000 roots just trying to grow from the seed that has been sown. Yet you refuse to try to know. Just look to my mind and see my dreams. Stones of nostalgia haunt these seas, plaguing the man that I should be. Tell me, will I ever be free? See, all of these past inhibitions, they're festering inside. I need to come to terms with my faults and mistakes. I'm no longer trying to hide, but I'm just drifting along the current to the waterfall. Drifting along the current. Drifting along the current to the waterfalls. Drifting along the current. Waterfall, cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take hold. Let the waterfall cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take hold. See, I just wanna love, free fall into it all. 'Cause I know that there's love, time to answer its call. And I will be the candle in the dark, the lighthouse upon the sea. Time to take a leap off the edge, heart fast into infinity. Waterfall, cleanse my soul as I free fall. Let the rebirth take more. Jazakallah khair. I'm going to bring you on, bro. Basically, that piece is, I hope that just resonates in your heart. Interpret it how you will, but overcome your fears, overcome your obstacles, and truly make a change. Don't be consumed by what they produce, inshallah. And speaking about productions, I want to introduce somebody. My brother Shazette, could you come on stage, please? Everybody give it up for Shazette! Basically, have you guys met?
Assalamu alaikum.
Say walaikum salam. Good. Have you ever heard of beatboxing?
Yes.
Yes, some people like beatboxing is like this. You can communicate. I'm a beatboxer, he's a beatboxer, we have a language. It goes like this. Dangerous, mashallah, mashallah.
MashaAllah. Not too dangerous though.
In the good way, in the good way. Yeah, I have one final little piece to put together for you guys. Let's see if it works, inshallah. It goes like this. And this is basically the essence of why I'm here today. I just want people to understand, don't be afraid. Like, make a contribution, don't be scared to. Bismillah. Can you help me find my way back home? I've been lost for so long. Can you help me find my way back home? I've been lost for so long. But trust is all I need. But it's like our hearts only lost in a state of grief. I know these walls are only out here to defend me, but it's hard to knock them down in this world, you see. It's hard to knock them down, but I'ma break these walls down. Break them down. Break them down, down. Break them down. Break them down. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Oh, sometimes it just might bleed. It might cause me pain, pain and grief. But it's better to try, you can fail, but sometimes you just might succeed. I love you guys. Assalamu alaikum.
MashaAllah.